my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. In case you just come this channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. You are highly welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime at all you go always get all my video notification. For those of my returning subscribers, thank you so much. They always come in to support your girl. Thank you for coming all the time, and may God continue to grant all your heart's desires. Amen. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also leave your comments behind in the comment section regarding this video where you want watch. So guys, yes, so guys, I come today. I want to bring updates concerning our sister, our Mama Don Davis, where be say they brutalize the pikin for Deeper Life High School. Okay, so you know, say ever since then she never come out to give any updates, to talk anything concerning how the issue they go, how the matter they go, because she dey under restriction. Yeah, she's under restriction by the court, so the court restrict her not to go to her platform on Facebook to talk all the time or tell people how the case is going, not to be coming out on social media concerning the case. So the court restrict her not to do so. So that is why for some time now she not come out, as she promised say she go dey update people. You understand? So her silence now, where she not take ever since she not dey do video, she not dey come out, she not dey make video, people can't see as an opportunity. Too many people can't begin dey threaten her, different kind of threats. Even self, as me and you dey talk now, she says she don't get BP, she don't know what to do, she no fit bear her again, say she no get any other choice than to violate wetin the court talk. Too many people they threaten her. Just imagine wetin person write for her for her page. Person write her say whether pikin never die, abi whether pikin don't, sorry, oh yes, say pikin don't die. Which kind of a threat is that? That one is threat. Another one say say another person talk say you dey fight a man of God. You dey fight man of God. Wetin strong pass and I go before. That one is threat. You understand? The one way come make her come out pass now. The Reno Omokiri, so say he still can't threaten her again. Say make she go beg Kumuyi, may go do this one. If he not do one, that one still do, he giving you threats. You understand? So all these threats, so it over saying don't tire. He don't tire to see all these threats and keep quiet. He don't know what to do. He even they sleep with one eye closed. If he sleep like this, you know they feel sleep comfortably again. She don't tire to be here and be here and be here. Now she te say, he must come out. May he come see talk out. As at yesterday, she said she tried to reach out to the court to let them know, say, see what they happen no concerning the ongoing case. So they threaten her different threats, so that she don't get high blood pressure. As me and you they talk so. So they no one let her drink water, keep cup. The court now, they not let her see who she go see for the court. They not let her see now she come out. Still on still. The thread, different messages they come every time, every hours they come, different threats. One say they fight God. Me I not just know which kind of matter be all this one. I know this kind of thing not be new thing for Nigeria. It they happen before, but people what happen to Don Davis, so it they happen before. People never really just open mouths when they talk as this lady don't bring her out to talk for public. It's happening. Everybody know, most especially when it be same-sex school. It they happen. You understand? But this very something, so it good make they really dissect this issue very well, because it will go a long way for other children's life. Not be only Don Davis she really wants this justice for. All that children will be say they don't go through the same thing and their mother or their father keep quiet about it. Now this woman they try to make sure say justice come, and they place everything in place so that all this kind of thing no go dey happen again for those boarding school. Na be her own aim. To me, now I see say na be her own aim. Where she take the fight for all fights. She's not fighting God. Those of you where they say they fight God. Me, I not say I take they fight God. She dey fight for her son rights, her son's future, and every other kid's future. And this not only Nigeria, let me foresee and know say they know they see justice. If you cry out, come to say see what they pass through, or see what you want to, you must surely see person where go come out and tell you, say, Madam, shut up, or Madam, why you talk? Madam, sit down there. You must surely see person where go must surely come and tell you that why you talk. Person where go shut you up, and it's not right. Everybody get their own human rights, get their own freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. I wonder this kind of country where we did, or we try to silence you by all means when you are speaking the truth. What? The man of God, the Kumuyi, but my human being, into na father. We leave you guys now, right now with the video. Wanna see the way this woman, the way she even they feel like, the way she they do. You yourself will not say this woman don't they go under depression. Because of this case, say she dey fight for justice for a pikin. I go leave una with the video. Mona see her completely. Mona know what they talk about. Now Nigeria see say person know they fight for justice. So you don't fight for justice in Nigeria. You don't voice out. You don't affecting you in your heart. What you feel is not right. You don't say it out. Now only Nigeria for see that kind of thing. I will leave you guys with the video, and also leave your comment behind in the comment section. Justice must prevail, whether they like her or they don't like her. Justice must come. Justice must come for this Don Davis, Archie Bong, where they say they brutalize anyhow as they like. Justice must come. Alright guys, I will be right back. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. Beautiful morning to everyone here today. Good morning, good morning, good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. I bring you all greetings this morning. Please, I won't have come out here this morning to do this video, but I have to because it involves life. Yesterday I was at the court. The magistrate saw me. I was battling with breath. Please, but I will not keep quiet. I will not keep quiet and die in silence. My BP is very high. The threat is much. Nigeria, the world at large, the threat is too much. The threat is much. Please. Yesterday, before the court seat, I told a lawyer that I wanted to see the magistrate. That's the woman that is coordinating. They say I cannot see her, that she will soon come on stage to talk. Then after the sitting, I told the clerk, Abi, that I want to see her. She said I can't see her, that she's doing another case. The threat is too much. Like somebody sent message, how was the burial of your son? You are fighting a church, definitely you will bury your child. Please, these things are killing. We cannot say matter is in court and I will keep quiet and die inside house. Then one Mr. Raymond Omokri, call me that I should go and apologize on national newspaper, apologize on TV. I don't understand what I'm apologizing for. That if I do not, anything I see, I take. To me, that is a threat. I can't close my eyes well. My BP is high. I cannot keep quiet and die in silence because of say court is on. So please, I have to come out here this morning and talk because
I have to talk. Please. Please. The matter is in court. They should allow the court take his own place. One Mr. Raymond or Mercury say I should go and write on national newspaper and beg. I don't know who I'm to beg. I don't know why this. The matter is in court. They should respect court order and let court take its course. The threat is too much. Somebody sending me message, how was the burial of your child? If it's you, how would you feel? How would you feel when you get that kind of message? They cannot tell me to shut up when Deeper Life members are treating me anyhow. They cannot tell me to shut up when they are treating me anyhow. It's not as if I have security or I have anybody checking on me. If I keep quiet and die now, this whole thing is over. That's why I came out. I wanted to see the chief magistrate yesterday and tell her, Madam, see what is happening. But I don't have space to. That's why I came here. The threat is much. I don't know who is Reno Namankre. I don't know. It's even yesterday they told me he was once federal governor or something, or vice governor. I don't know. He should leave me alone. I don't have what he have. He cannot come and tell me to go and beg. If I don't beg, what will happen? If you kill me once, can you kill me again? I'm calling on America everywhere. You push, you help me beg him to leave me. You push, you beg Deeper Life member to leave me. The matter is in court. You cannot tell me to keep quiet. And this kind of a thing is coming. I will not have anybody to tell. Please, Nigerians, America, Canada, anywhere, please help me beg them. The matter is in court. Watch my videos. I have not mentioned these things. It is in court. But the threat is too much. You are fighting our Geo. Watch what will happen to you. This will be fun. It's too much. The ones that are parents here should look at it. How will you feel when somebody wake up and or the message you see is, how was the burial of your son? How would you feel? And you say I should keep quiet. Why would the court tell me to keep quiet when you didn't call the parliament member to order? Is the quiet one side? Quiet should be on every side. Why would I be getting things like if you don't go and beg them? So the other day somebody said before 20th I will die. 20th is yesterday. I'm still here. Because God knows that I did not frame lies and come and tell. My son did not frame lies and come and tell. So that's what I say. Let me inform people, please. Reno Makure, leave me alone. I don't know you. It was yesterday I tried asking who is this person. I thought it's even Kumuyi's son. They say he's one thing to governor of whether I'm governor. No, I don't know now. I'm a trader. I don't know this. I don't read paper. I don't know. I beg, leave me. Don't tell me who I would to apologize. Don't tell me how wrath of God will fall on me. I'm not fighting God. I'm fighting for my child's rights. I'm fighting for those who cannot talk right. Is it that when something happens, nobody will talk? Why are you threatening me? The threat is too much. I tried to talk to magistrates yesterday. They did not allow me to see her. Nigeria, the word at large, the threat is too much. I can't do anything freely. Won't I feed? Won't I eat? Please help me, oh. That's why I came this morning. My BP is too high. I've been lying down, taking drugs. I can't go out. To work I'm supposed to do, I can't do. I soak pap since 3 days. I can't get up and do it. If I get up, small time, fear. I had been fear. Because of this threat, it's too much. Please help me beg people. They should leave me. The matter is in court. Let court decide. Please. Thank you. Thank you all.